start walking, or you better start throwing up.
Happy 21st, Gabriel Garza. Was it 2011?
Yeah.
Born what? March 17th, 1990?
You ain't gonna throw up.
Slimer.
You ain't gonna throw up.
Show me why they call you Slimer.
Come on, babe.
We called Slimer when we were little. Yeah, Babel. Babel. Babas everywhere, vato. I'm sorry, dude. I'll get it clean. No, I pay for you. I'll pay for your car getting clean, dude. Don't worry.
I'm gonna go take it tomorrow.
Yeah, that's right. You gotta take it back here to the back right and get that shit clean. Get that shit clean for free, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hey, we don't need no problems over here, bro. Leave him alone. He's good.
Come on, nigga.
Hey, don't be beating up cars, dude. What's wrong with